So despite a couple walls remaining from the previous remodel, this is actually brand new construction, rebuilt in 2022 with no expense spared. And you can catch the oversized lot with natural grass front and back, a massive tree out front, providing shade, privacy, and a statement look. With an entirely new, more intuitive open concept floor plan, there's additional new living area, new plumbing, new 200 amp electrical panel, new tankless hot water heater, new central heating and air conditioning, a new roof, new windows, new floors, new chef's kitchen you can see where no expense was spared, from this massive island to the porcelain countertops and backsplash to the luxury Thermador appliances and plenty more. New is the theme here. Also in the kitchen, you have oversized French doors to the rear patio. And the way you know this is not a flip is this was done by the current owners, for the current owners, by a licensed general contractor with permits from the city of Santa Clara. Custom closets on both sides you can explore on your way into the dual sink vanity with designer light fixtures overhead, custom finishes and faucet, and custom vanity. And to catch the custom and catch the waterproof wood grain look cement board behind the vanity in the hall bath, providing a nice waterproofing accent to a designer selected bathroom. The tile work is to die for, it's high-end, designer-inspired, and goes with the palette of the rest of the home. And check out the freshly epoxied, never driven on before garage floors. And of course, check out the very affordable Santa Clara utilities here. Way more affordable than PG&E, and a very, very, very short commute to NVIDIA, Apple, Google, all the major tech companies.